Hey T, what are you doing inside our time machine?
I was just looking for a place to shoot our next Disney ride POV.
Oh, you should just do it here.
That sounds great. But what are you doing here this time?
I'm getting ready for our next Time Machine Top 5 video. But there was an error in the auxiliary quantum shift rubidium converter, so I needed to reroute the beryllium chronotom limiter through the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yes, how did you know?
Lucky guess. Sounds exciting.
Yes, so where are you going today on your POV trip?
Well, we're going to fly with Buzz Lightyear on Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin at Magic Kingdom in Tomorrowland.
Ooh, that sounds like fun!
Actually, it wasn't. The Disney Stranger kept spinning the ride vehicle all around and I barely hit any targets. He was driving me nuts!
I hate when he does that.
Well, anyway, let's get this POV going. To infinity
and beyond!
You used to enter the ride right past Buzz, and now he's in the beginning.
Stand by. Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9. That is the work of that nefarious criminal. The sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Surge. Stealing crystallic fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless. Sparky Man picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells. While the rest of you concentrate on those robots. Rendezvous at C. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Stations, order the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
Watch your step, go for it.
And their little green friends, too. You deserve power. You must have power.
Check the status board to review your score. Remember, to infinity and beyond.
Yours is the master. I am God.
We're definitely gonna hit that last time. Yeah. 188,000.
What did you have? Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.